Most Python developers reach for @context manager without thinking about what happens when an exception gets thrown. Python gives you two ways to build a context manager. With @context manager, you write a generator function and place a yield exactly where the with block's body executes. Code before the yield is set up, code after is teardown. The class-based approach instead requires two dunder methods: enter to acquire and return the resource, and exit to release it. The decorator wins on brevity. A simple resource wrapper is 4 lines instead of 8. For disposable context managers, where you just need setup and teardown, @context manager is the clear choice. Less boilerplate means fewer places to make mistakes. Class-based managers shine when you need to store state between users, expose helper methods like rollback, or manage complex resources like connection pools. Because it is a regular class, instances are reusable and you can subclass or mock them freely. Exception handling is where the real difference emerges. Class-based exit receives x_type, xe_val, and traceback directly. Return true to suppress, false to propagate. With @context manager, you must wrap yield and try finally. To suppress exceptions, you catch them inside the generator. Forget the try block and exceptions will bypass your cleanup entirely. Default to @context manager for simple wrappers. Go class-based when you need state, reusability, or fine-grained exception control. Like and subscribe for more Python deep dives. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.